Hello everyone, it's Andrea, and admittedly I did not have a video planned for the day, so I decided to go ahead and do this video. So Nick went to our storage unit because we're currently like cleaning it out and getting rid of it, and he found a handful of these really old ScribblePrintsCo, I'm assuming by what I can see, mystery kits, and I am excited to give it a little open up and show you what is inside. I don't know exactly when this is from, but it's definitely over 8 years old if I had to guess, based on what I can see so far. If I can do further investigation on when this is from, I will leave info in the comments down below, but I have like a handful of these, like these exact ones, and I'm interested to see what is inside, because this is, like I said, very vintage ScribblePrintsCo stickers. And if it's a mystery kit, maybe I'll do a challenge of like using this kit to like try and plan a week. Oh my gosh, it's the feathers kit. Okay, I could probably figure out when this is from. All right, so the bubble mailer here, we got the do not bend sticker. And then for the padding, we have a piece of cardboard. Nice. And then this is a mystery kit, I believe. Mystery kits used to come with a sticky note and a pen back in the day. And this is what the sticky note looks like. I definitely will actually be using this because it's giving me just the nostalgic vibes. You have some heart checklists over here. And then the pen is a little pen, which I'm interested to see. I do not think that is going to work. It has been in the storage unit, and it is not, I don't think it's applicable for use, but nevertheless, let's check out these stickers and see what we're looking at. Okay, so these are so old. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, I mean, if you're new here, this is a real blast from the past. Okay, so let's go through each sheet. The first sheet here, and I believe during this time, all of my sheets were a la carte. I believe I was in Texas. Well, I know I was, so I'm thinking it's within 10 years. So actually it's probably within 9 years. So this is some half boxes. So you have the pattern ones and solid ones. These are how my half boxes used to look. They had little circles around it. And yeah, that's my old logo. Or, you know, this one actually looks like stretch, doesn't it? I don't know what I did there, but it looks like I made it longer, but not in like a way that's like acceptable wise. And then we have some little things which used to have the icons on them. It's very interesting that I decided to keep them this close together because the slight bit of offcut, this would be a tragic mess in the middle. But some little things, some headers, again, same thing. It was a very interesting choice. Also interesting choice to have these like not the same like orientation, but it was probably because I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what I was thinking exactly, but I'm sure there was a reason to do today in little things. That's what it used to be, the 3 boxes. In my head and a lot of others. So you have the deco section up here, which had some feathers along with the weekend banner, which was pretty standard for a while, this exact weekend banner setup. The heart checklists, which are one of the first stickers that I ever designed functionally. And then don't let the fear of falling keep you from flying, with one of those feathers huge in the background. And I think that's what all the patterns are, is just like blown up feathers, which is an interesting choice. And then also these circle cutout icons. I don't know if you've ever noticed, if you did buy stickers in, but everything had like I think it was like a 5% like black overlay stroke. You could kind of even see it in here, like especially on the pink. But I thought that was like a necessary thing to do. And there's like a functional page, so there's some donuts up top because I feel like donuts were just so trendy for some reason, and they are cut out like actual, like no white on the outside. Canceled, rescheduled, canceled, rescheduled. Canceled, it was like, I think it was canceled. That was like a whole thing on like how it should be spelled, but there's 2 different ways to spell it. Vacuum cleaners, spray bottles, nail polish, coffee cups, which again, the coffee cups and like the nail polishes are cut out like there's nothing outside of them. I don't know, again, those, but like then these ones have a little bit of an outside and these ones don't. And same with the laundry baskets. that was again a choice. Some dish soap, some little like circle icons, movie marquees, which I do love this still. It's very nostalgic. Teardrops, which were very much so based off of the like Target Dollar Spot Martha Stewart teardrops. I think that the Target Dollar Spot ones might have come first. And then some flags, which these are pretty much the same like proportions. I think my current proportions are a little bit like a smidge shorter if I'm looking at them right. Ombre heart checklist, of course. All of this is on glossy, by the way, besides this last page, which I'll show you here. Then we have the full boxes, which again are just large versions of the feathers. And then this was the washi sheet, which this was the last time that we had matte paper. And not this specific kit, but this was whenever we used matte paper just for this, because I wanted that like washi feel. And washi is obviously more matte than it is glossy. So I thought, well, we're just going to have a separate printer, which was a pain in the booty, for washi type stickers. So you have the like bottom washi sized one with a random strip here, and then you have the ones that are like box size. So if you want to see me do a spread using this kit, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll do like a giveaway in that, because I don't think anyone would want to buy these. Trust the system here, of the ones that I have, and probably just let you know not to use the pen. But yeah, let me know if that's something that you're interested in, is me doing a plan with me using these stickers, and like should I do it like using these stickers to make a spread in my current, or using these stickers to make like an old school looking spread, or should I do both? Because I could do both, because I have a bunch of these kits. I think there's probably like maybe 5 to 10 of them. But that's everything for this video. It was definitely a blast from the past. I just feel like, wow, it's been a while. So if I can find out when this was from, I will let y'all know in the description. But if you have any guesses, if I can't figure it out, let me know down below. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.